monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
So we are here at the Gokarna Beach. It was told to us that it's a drive-in beach, but unfortunately it's not a drive-in beach. This is the parking and just that side is the beach. So on the beach you can't drive, and it's pretty hot here, and the entry parking fees is 20 rupees. So as you can see, that's the beach behind me. All the people are playing in the sea, but I don't want to go there. It'll get too much wet and all. I'm happy to stay here and see.